Google has pushed the ceiling of the entire AI circle up another level. Gemini 3 Pro, which has been teased for a month, was officially released last night in a preview. The API went live simultaneously. From this moment on, the landscape of models on Earth has been directly rewritten. The first second I opened the model card, my brain had only two words: crushing. First, the most ridiculous math. In what is called Mathematics Mode 1, the math arena, those familiar large models like ChatGPT 5.1 and Claude 4.5 can only hover around 1%. Gemini 3 Pro, 23.4%. This is the first time in AI history that a model can truly solve problems in a math competition. Then there is visual intelligence. For screen understanding, Gemini 3 Pro has reached 72.7%, while ChatGPT 5.1 is at 3.5%. This isn't a gap, it's a dimensional difference. This means AI can, for the first time, understand computer interfaces just like a human. Agents are no longer blind. They can click windows and press buttons themselves, operating your system on their own. This is the significance of a landmark era. What is even more explosive is that Google threw out another nuclear bomb tonight: Google Anti-Gravity. Previously, everyone thought Gemini 3 could handle end-to-end software writing simply because the model was strong. Now it seems Google has directly changed the development methodology. Google Anti-Gravity isn't an editor at all. It is an intelligence-first programming environment. With one sentence from you, it can dispatch multiple agents simultaneously. One writes code, one opens the terminal to run tests, one opens the browser to check the UI. They discuss among themselves, fix their own bugs, and iterate on their own. You only need to nod. This is absolutely not the cursor type of you write a sentence, it completes a sentence exoskeleton. It is software growing automatically. Why does Google dare to reach this height today? Because behind it lies a foundation no one else can replicate. While the whole world is queuing for NVIDIA GPUs, only Google is using its own computing power mines to stack up models. Add to that the interaction data from billions of users' web pages, videos, images, code. This combination has finally detonated now. Watching the online test cases is also interesting. Whether it is UI design or physics modeling, complex interactive web pages come right out. Gemini 3 Pro's one-shot success rate is ridiculously high. The experience is even a bit scary. The model becoming strong no longer relies on parameter tuning, but rather on intuitive aesthetics and spatial understanding abilities previously considered to be human domains. So the conclusion is simple. This generation of Gemini isn't just a better model, but a more complete machine collaborator. If the previous generation of AI gave everyone an assistant, then this generation is more like a team leader. The models begin autonomous division of labor, synchronous execution, and mutual collaboration. The true productivity revolution officially enters fast-forward mode today.